How's it going, everybody? Funky Cole Medina DIY back again with another video. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. This will be a basic instruction on how to use a thermostat at your house. I've come across this issue many times with people, especially my own family. I'll tell them, hey, if you're hot, just turn the AC on. I say, okay. So recently my son was complaining that it was hot. So I told him, hey, well, just turn the AC on when you get hot. I said, okay. So he turned it on, quote unquote. And when I got up in the morning, I felt air coming out of the vents from the ceiling. And I just felt air coming out. And I was like, man, is the fan on? I never have the fan on. So when I come downstairs, I look at the thermostat and the fan is put on. And I never have the fan on. So he figured to turn the air conditioner on to get cool, all you gotta do is just turn the fan on. No, that's not how you do it. And I actually put this piece of tape on here, that way no one would mess with it, with the fan setting. But obviously it got turned on. So let's turn that thing off on auto, and let me show you how to work the thermostat. So your first reading on whatever the marking is on your thermostat, what it shows the temperature, the 78, that shows the temperature that is inside your home currently. So right now, inside the home, it is 78 degrees. Today is May 14th, and the weather is getting pretty hot. I think today the high is 91. So if you wanna cool the house, make sure this control here, you got 3 settings. You got heat, off, and cool. We want it on cool all the way to the right, because obviously we want to cool the house. Your fan setting should be kept on auto. Now there are some instances where you want the fan to be on. If you want to just circulate some air through the house, that's fine. But in most cases, you're going to have it on auto. If you have the fan on all the time, you wear your fan out and it'll eventually break down, and then you'll definitely have no air movement, no cold air or heat in the winter. So you'll just have nothing going. Okay, if we want to turn the air conditioner on, we need to set the temperature to the temperature that we want the air conditioner to stop. So we're gonna set ours right now, the temperature of our house is 78 degrees. Let's set it to 75, and you should hear a click. Right now, the air conditioner just turned on. The outside unit, the condenser with the fan, that turned on. The upstairs unit turned on. So everything, the air conditioner right now is set, and we press this button just to check, at 75 degrees. The house is 78 degrees, we just turned it on. So once it reaches 75 degrees, the thermostat will turn off. Once the temperature goes above 75 degrees, the air conditioner will turn back on again. So basically you're setting the temp of what you want the house to be at. Now a big misconception is that people think if you go all the way down to the lowest setting, like say in this case 50 degrees, that in some way the air that's coming out of your vents is going to get colder. That's false. The temperature that comes out of your vents from the air conditioner is the same temperature regardless of the setting that you choose on your thermostat. Just because it's a lower temperature doesn't mean the air is going to get colder. All you're doing is setting the thermostat to tell the air conditioner when to stop. So in this case, it wouldn't stop until the house is 50 degrees, which probably will never happen during the summer here in Texas. When you want to turn the air conditioner off, like I said, just press these buttons here, or set your Nest dial to the left. That way you can bring the temperature down to whatever setting that you want. So we're gonna go back to 75. We'll probably actually do about 76. Energy's too expensive, so we can't have that air conditioner running all day. Now, if you want to turn the air conditioner off, just bring your temperature above the current temperature of your house. So if it's 78 degrees and you want to turn it off, just go back to, let's do 79 degrees and it'll turn off. There you go. The air conditioner just turned off. And once you turn the air conditioner off, there's actually a safety timer. I believe it's anywhere from a minute to about 5 minutes that it won't let you turn the air conditioner back on. That's to help prevent the compressor on the outside of your house, that outside unit, from getting damaged. So it gives you a safety window for a few minutes. That way you can't turn it back on. After that, safety net of a few minutes, then you can go back and turn your air conditioner back on. So guys, this is how you set a thermostat. Hopefully my kids will watch this, that way they have no issues with it. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Y'all have a great day, guys. I'll see you on the next one.